Thank you for your interest in Legacy Woodworking's line of innovative machinery and our exciting new online woodworking academy. Legacy has been in business since 1991. We started with a simple idea of how to harness the power of a router. Since then, we have grown into one of the most innovative companies in the woodworking industry. In 2006, we moved into our new manufacturing plant with computerized mills, lathes, presses, and lasers. This state-of-the-art equipment allows us to design and produce an extremely high-quality product. Legacy is dedicated to providing the best tools and training available for the woodworker with a vision. That is why we created Legacy Woodworking Academy. Our online classes include projects, techniques, and basic woodworking skills to help you achieve incredible results. The school is free and available to anyone with internet access. Simply visit our website at www.legacywoodworking.com and click on Training. You can also purchase measured drawings and training DVDs for each project. In fact, this hollow spiral candlestick project is included on this DVD, allowing you to experience the level of training and the possible results. Now let's take a close-up look at Legacy's exciting line of ornamental mills. At this point, you can forget everything you know about woodworking. Legacy has changed all the rules. The ornamental mill is the most versatile woodworking tool available. It can easily create components that would normally be hand-carved or require specialty tooling and machinery, or worse yet, not done at all. The mill is like having 8 machines in one, saving valuable shop space, money, and time. First, the mill is a router table. You can easily perform basic router table operations such as cutting edge profiles or stiles and rails for raised panel doors. Second, the mill is a vertical panel router. This operation is standard on the Revo and requires an optional accessory for the larger machines. As a vertical router table, you can use the vertical raised panel bits, which are much smaller and safer than a standard raised panel cutter. Third, the mill is a 3-axis overhead router. The ability to mill in 3 directions allows you to create complex designs on flat stock. Fourth, the mill is a system for creating joinery. You can easily create finger or box joints or mortise and tenon joinery on flat stock. With optional accessories, you can also mill through dovetail joints . and mitered mortise and tenon joints. You can also create joinery on spindle stock, such as the slotted dovetails for a three-legged pedestal shown here. Fifth, the mill is a simple turning system. Now you can easily create turned components without using a lathe. Plus, it's faster, safer, and easier than traditional turning. It's also far more versatile than a lathe. Now your parts can be square, round, or even odd shapes, like a Queen Anne leg. Sixth, the mill is a complex turning system, allowing you to quickly add details, such as flutes, reeds, and spirals. Seventh, the mill is a tapering system. Cutting tapered legs on a table saw limits you to simple tapered legs, but the legacy ornamental mill will allow you to create complex tapered shapes that are round, square, or multi-sided. Eighth, the mill is a specialty molding system. In fact, it is the most versatile molding machine that you can own, allowing you to create detailed moldings, straight linear moldings, arched moldings, and swan neck moldings. You can even wrap your moldings around a corner. This classic drop leaf table was built using only two tools: a table saw just to dimension the stock, and the legacy ornamental mill did the rest. Let me take this tabletop off real quickly, and I'll show you the details on the inside. To begin with, we joined the rails flat and thickness planed them on the ornamental mill. Next, we added the joinery, which includes traditional mortise and tenon joinery for the legs, loose tenon joinery for the case, sliding dovetail to lock the piece together, and a simple pocket joint here for this part, which will be used to lock down the tabletop. We also added the gate leg hinge by machining the finger joints and radiusing the outside. We then turned the legs, which included the reeded detail and the joinery. And finally, we milled the round tabletop, even milled the pockets for the hinges. Every detail on this table was made on the ornamental mill.